Welcome to Devomech Solutions, where cutting-edge technology meets innovative engineering. Today we're excited to introduce you to a programming language that's reshaping the landscape of electronics engineering, that is Rust. Rust is a systems programming language that's gaining popularity for its speed, reliability, and memory safety. Unlike other languages, Rust offers powerful performance without sacrificing safety. It's particularly well suited for embedded systems and applications, where efficiency and robustness are critical. At Devomech Solutions, we are always at the forefront of adopting innovative technologies that enhance our engineering capabilities. That's why we've chosen Rust as a key programming language for our electronics engineering projects. Rust allows us to build robust and efficient systems with greater confidence. As one of the first design engineering firms to integrate Rust into our workflow, we're using it to develop everything from low-level device drivers to complex embedded systems applications. Interested in learning more about how Rust can enhance your project's performance and reliability? Contact Devomech Solutions today and discover how our expertise can bring your vision to life.